Alright, let me show you how to fold this little Pocketmod book. So the first fold you're going to make is right across lengthwise. The next fold is going to be across here. So the next folds are going to be here and here. Make sure that the paper is facing up. It makes it a little easier later on. So we're going to fold inward towards the center fold, like that. The other side. Alright, next you're going to fold it in half again, and you're going to cut from this fold here to this fold line here. So now you have a cut just like that. So you're going to sandwich it together like this. Now your front is going to be right here, the back is going to be right next to it. So you're going to take this fold here, fold it down so that they're right next to each other. Then you're going to take this fold here, fold it the other way. Then you're going to fold it like that. And then finally finish it off with a fold to close it off. So you have the front and the back. And then all of the pages are in the right place.